what things are going to get my property sold the fastest and for the best price. I'm gonna do this as fast as I possibly can, and there's some things that don't work that are myths and some things that work really well, and those are the things you should be focusing all your resources on. And the things that don't work are open houses, brokers opens, or realtor parties, Facebook, Instagram ads, newspaper ads, neighborhood mail or flyers. Each of those things does have its place in the process, but when we look at the stats, those aren't actually the things that sell properties. And bring it back to your day-to-day life. You can buy your groceries and get them delivered to your door. You can buy anything you could possibly want on Amazon straight from your iPhone. Real estate is the exact same way, and you want to make sure your digital marketing is on point, because the buyer nowadays can do 90% of the shopping on their phone. All they need to do is show up and to do the last 10% and confirm everything that they've seen online. You want to make sure that you have professional photography done. Make sure you get those drone shots done as well, not only because they show off the neighborhood, because they are awesome, they look really cool. You can get Twilight photos done nowadays, which look really cool too if you've got a property that's got a really nice view. Make sure you get a 3D or virtual tour done of the property. This is gonna give you a 2D floor plan with the rooms and all the measurements. The buyer's gonna be able to look at it and get a really good idea of what the layout of the property looks like. And it also gives you that feature where you can look through the home from your laptop basically and walk around the inside and look at it as if you were, inside the property. Another two things is make sure you get your price right. Don't leave too much meat on the bones for negotiating, because what's gonna happen is buyers are gonna look at it, say it's overpriced, they're not even gonna bother with the listing. Homes are selling between 2 and 3 or 4% under ask. So if you're gonna budget anything in negotiating, just do that amount. Don't go overboard with it, because you're gonna get less views, less people through the home, which is gonna result in a lower sale price for you, guaranteed. That's just the way it works. And then the next thing is gonna be an agent guided video tour. This is when you can really communicate all those unique features about the property that you can't necessarily get across in the listing description, photos. You can talk about the neighborhood, make sure you get some drone footage of the area, talk about the amenities. So if you found value with this, head over to the channel, subscribe, and if you're gonna sell your property in Kelowna, we should have a chat. So I'll see you on the next one.